Simai, I'm Maxine Hughes. Some of you may know me from Welcome to Wrexham, where I explain the magic of Wales and the Welsh language to the world. I want to talk about something rather special, which some of you may have experienced, but struggle to put a name to. The Danish have hygge, the Irish have the crack. In Wales, we have Hwyl. And I've invited a few experts to explain what it's all about.
Hwyl is a deep state of joy that comes from being totally immersed in the moment. It releases dopamine, firing those neurotransmitters, raising the heartbeat, creating a prolonged sense of euphoria. Or it can slow it right down. That would be the endorphins, reducing stress, causing the entire body to relax.
Basically, it makes you feel really good. What's this?
This is Hwyl.
Explain.
Well, we managed to isolate the formula for Hwyl and discovered it can only be found in Wales. If you combine unburdened adventure with unparalleled beauty, then add the warm croeso of the Welsh people, multiplied by the epic landscapes of Wales, you get Hwyl.
So there we go. A little Welsh word with a big meaning, Hwyl. Come feel it, only in Wales.